Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need to your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching class 6 science chapter number 2 components of food part 8. In the last video, we discussed deficiency disease of nutrients and minerals. In this video, we will discuss vitamins and deficiency disorders and symptoms. So let's start. First, vitamins. Here, deficiency disorder and symptoms. So, first, vitamin A is also called what? Retinol. Loss of vision and skin problem. Dear student, it is called what? Night blindness. Vision becomes poor in darkness, sometimes leading to night blindness and dry skin. Dear students, poor vision, loss of vision in the darkness, that is also called what? Night blindness. So that deficiency disorder is called what? Night blindness, and it is which vitamin is responsible for that? That is vitamin A. It is called what? Retinol. Come to the B1, is called thiamine disease. Very weak muscles, very little energy and poor growth in children. Dear students, extreme weakness, swelling of legs, loss of appetite and weight are the symptoms of very disease. Now come to the vitamin B2, that is called riboflavin. Erythroflavinosis and the photophobia. Dear students, what is the symptoms? That disease is related to the skin disorder, cracked limbs, inflammation of the lining of mouth and tongue, mouth ulcers, cracks at a corner of the mouth and sore throat, dry and scaling skin, eye becomes sensitive to bright sunlight. Dear students, irritation in the eyes, dry skin, inflammation of tongue, these are the common symptoms of disease which is caused by vitamin B2, deficiency of vitamin B2. Now come to the B3, niacin, pellagra, diarrhea, drying of skin and irritability. Dear students, now come to the vitamin B12, that is known as cyanocobalamin, anemia, lack of appetite, pale skin, low stamina. Dear students, pale skin, deficiency of red blood cells, lack of stamina and appetite, frequently headache even, then also the symptoms of anemia. Now come to the vitamin C, ascorbic acid, scurvy, bleeding gums, wounds take a long time to heal. Dear students, spongy and bleeding gums, losing of teeth, wound take a longer time to heal. Now come to the next, vitamin D, minerals, calcium and phosphorus. Dear students, rickets in the children, osteomalacia in the adults. Rickets, bones become soft and deformed. Dear student, soften and bend bones. Soft bones are more susceptible to the fractures. So are in the adults, osteomalacia, bone pain and poor to the fractures. Dear students, bowed leg due to the malformation of the leg bones and pain of bones of the symptoms of rickets and osteomalacia. Now come to the vitamin K, bleeding disorder, uncontrolled bleeding from wounds and delayed blood clotting. Dear student, delayed blood clotting resulting the excess bleeding from the wounds. So hope you understood this table. Now come to the next one part. A person suffering from goiter. Dear students, I earlier told to you uh, about the goiter disease. Dear student, just look the picture, dear students. Abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland released growth, and also in this case mental disability also happens. Now a suffering from scurvy. Dear students, just look, spongy and bleeding gums, losing of teeth, wound takes a longer time to heal even then also. Child suffering from marasmus. Just look at the picture, dear students. Child suffering from the marasmus. In the marasmus, body become lean and thin, so the child not able to move. Skin dry, thin and wrinkled. Ribs become prominent, and sunken eyes, unable to digest, absorb food of many, maybe suffer from the diarrhea also. Now just see the pictures. A child suffering from rickets. Dear students, a child which is suffering from rickets, softened and bent bone, bowed leg due to the malformation of the leg bones and pain in the bones. Now come to the next, excessive intake of nutrients. Dear students, when the intake of nutrients is more than that what is required by the body, it may cause, due to the condition is called what? Obesity. Dear students, just a deficiency of nutrient in our diet leads to disease. Similarly, the excess of intake of food also leads to disease. Overweighting of fat-rich food also leads to overweight condition, that is called what? Obesity. Especially when the excess energy is not utilized by the means of exercise. Obesity leads to various health problems like disorder of the heart. Dear students, just like children eats lot of junk food like burger, chips, soft drinks, all these food items contain a large amount of fat and sugar due to lack of physical activity. Here means of not utilized by means of exercise, means to say due to lack of physical activity, fat get accumulate in the body and cause what? Obesity. Obese people suffer from the cardiovascular disease like hypertension and also disorder of the heart also. We can control obesity to be a fit and healthy by the regular exercise and avoid fat and carbohydrate rich diet. So dear students, hope you understood. You have to learn this table, that is your homework. Thank you students. Be safe, stay home.